everybody, so finally got the parts to do my Casioak mod. Here they are. Bought this random kit off AliExpress. So you have the watch, comes with just the actual bracelet, and as you can see here, the kind of empty chassis. You know, it's kind of the shell of what a watch case would be. Very simple. Some come with a little more detailed, but this was just off AliExpress. Then you get 2 screwdrivers, a Phillips head and a flathead, and a bunch of screws that you will use to install the case. Very simple, and then you need to have your Casioak. So it's obviously very important. Mine's a little dirty, so I'm going to clean it also in this video. But first off, you're going to take out both your screwdrivers. You will need both during this process, but take whichever one you prefer first, because you're going to have to take the bands off. So these are easy release. Very simple. You just push that little pin over towards the inner part, and the bracelet will pop off very easily. Use whatever screwdriver you're comfortable doing this with. Both will work fine. I personally find the flathead to be the easiest, so that's the one I chose to use. Once you do that, after you pop both of these off, you are left with just the watch case with the kind of rubber shell around it. If you try to take it off now, it's not going to work. That's because there are 4 more screws holding the plastic rubber case on the actual head of the G-Shock. So that's when you got to grab your Phillips head, and you're going to take all 4 of those out, sped it up for you to save you the pain of it. But they're very little screws, so try not to lose them. Take them out very carefully. You don't want to strip them because you're going to use these same holes for the mod kit. You're just going to use different screws, the ones that were included. So be very careful. Save these, put them in the same bag, put them away, take them off, don't strip them. At this point, you're able to pull off the clear rubber case or whatever color rubber case you have on the head of your G-Shock. It's obviously whatever color band you have. This comes off very easily. Don't worry about breaking it. You're not going to. It's very robust. Pop it off and you're left with just the head there. Very simple. At this point, I chose to unwrap the actual mod that I'm going to be putting it into. I chose kind of the Offshore AP model, not the stainless steel bracelet. I wanted the rubber. Looks beautiful, very nice, empty, very little blue tape to take off, so easy, pull that all off. Once you do that, you know, take a look at it. This was a nice little deployant clasp. At this point, I'd recommend just kind of cleaning it off before you pop it in. Also, always make sure that when you're cleaning it, use your Rolex branded cleaning cloth. Got that at the AD when I brought my watch in to have some service done. They're very nice though. Keep cleaning it. You want to make sure it's going in nice, fingerprint free. The nice thing is there's no other glass or cover or protection on the mod, so the face of the G-Shock is the actual face you see, so you can still continue to clean it if you didn't get it off great. Pop that in fully. Very important. You want it sitting flush because now you're going to have to put the screws in through the holes in the new mod case into the G-Shock. At this point, you'll use the Phillips head because... Oh, no, incorrect. You're going to use the flathead because they are now flathead screws. The G-Shock screws are Phillips head. That's why they gave you the other screwdriver. But these are flathead screws. So make sure those are all in. Go around like I did earlier. You put all 4 back in. And that's it, guys. You're done. Your mod is complete. You now turned your Casioak into kind of a Royal Oak, whichever model you bought. And this was an incredibly simple process. Here it is finished. Love this rubber strap. It's super nice. I love the deployant. I love the look of it, the taper of the bracelet. It's just a really nice mod, and this thing was like 50 bucks on AliExpress. There's a ton of them. Grab whichever ones you want. I don't know the brand. They're just kind of unnamed. It was very easy to size. Sits very comfortably on the wrist. I don't have any calipers around at the moment, so I couldn't measure it for you, but it sits definitely a little more proud, a little taller than the Casioak itself does, but it's a very comfortable watch. It's a very comfortable mod. There's only one complaint I have with it. I'll show it to you shortly. I'm doing voiceover after this, so just lining it up. But as you can see here, the crown doesn't screw down, doesn't open, it doesn't do anything. I wish it didn't move. That's going to irk me. I'll probably super glue that down. Other than that, I love it. Strong recommend, guys. See you next time.